वेलकम बैक वसीम जी के क्विज। तो आज का हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 10 रहने वाला। क्वेश्चन नंबर 401 से स्टार्ट होगा। 400 से पहले हमने कवर कर लिए हैं। प्लेलिस्ट बनाइए, अगर नहीं देखी वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। आपको हर कम्पिटेटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाले हैं, तो आप ज़रूर देखिएगा। आपका टाइम ज़ाया नहीं करेंगे, करते हैं स्टार्ट। पहला क्वेश्चन हमारे पास आज का कि ए माइक्रो प्रोसेसर इज़ द ब्रेन ऑफ द कंप्यूटर एंड इज़ आल्सो कॉल्ड ए। करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी माइक्रोचिप। कोशिश करें कि खुद से भी करने की आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी। Question 402. CPU is an abbreviation for. Correct option is A. Central Processing Unit. Question 403. The dash is the term used to describe the window that is currently being used. Correct option D. Active window. Question 404. A dash is the term used when a search engine returns a web page that matches the search criteria. Correct option A. Hit. Question number 405. Which of the following are advantages of CD-ROM as a storage media? Correct option B. CD-ROM is an expensive way to store large amount of data and information. Question number 406. What are the four things needed to connect to the internet? Correct option B. Telephone line, modem, computer and an ISP. Question 407. What is e-commerce? E-commerce क्या है? So correct option is A. Buying and selling products and services over the internet. Question 408. If a disk drive fails but the computer application running and using it can continue processing, this application is said to have designed with this feature. Correct option A. Fault tolerance. Question 409. What are two examples of freeware? Correct option D. Instant messaging and the Google toolbar. Question 410. Storage and memory differ with respect to which of the following characteristics? Correct option D. All of the above. Question 411. To reload a web page, press the dash button. Correct option D. Refresh button. Question 412. The dash controls a silent computer's resources. Correct option C. Operating system. Question 413. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called. Correct option B. Downloading. Question 414. Which media have the ability to have data information stored on them by user more than once? Correct option D. Both CD-RW disk and zip disks. Question 415. Which of the following functions are not performed by servers? Correct option D. Word processing. Question 416. Vendor created program modification are called. Correct option B. Patches. Question 417. Storage media such as a CD reads and write information using. Correct option B. A laser beam of red light. Question 418. You can use the dash bar to type a URL and display a web page, or type a keyword to display a list of related web pages. Correct option D, address. Question 419. The dash enable you to simultaneously keep multiple web pages open in one browser window. Correct option C, tab row. Question 420. Which of the following could be digital input devices for computers? Correct option is option D, all of the above. Question 421. A sales clerk at the checkout counter scanning a tag on an item rather than keying it into the system is using. Correct option D, source data automation. Question 422. Main memory works in conjunction with. CPU. Correct option C. Question 423. Every computer has a dash. Many also have dash. Correct option D, operating system application programs. Question 424. The collection of links throughout the internet create an interconnected network called the. Correct option D, all of the above. Question 425. Cache and main memory will lose their contents when the power is off. They are. Correct option C, volatile. Question 426. A person who uses his or her expertise to gain access to other people's computer to get information illegally or do damage is a. Hacker. Option A is correct option. Question 427. A popular way to learn about computers without ever going to a classroom is called. Correct option C, e-learning. Question 428. Microsoft Office is an example of a. Horizontal market software. Option C is a correct option. Question 429. Which of the following is a storage device that uses rigid, permanently installed magnetic disk to store data or information? Correct option A, hard disk. Question 430. A dash is composed of several computers connected together to share resources and data. Correct option A, network. Question 31, 431. 35 dash are attempted by individuals to obtain confidential information from you by falsifying their identity. Phishing scam. Option D, correct option. Question 432. The main job of a CPU is to. Correct option D, only B and C. Question 433. Which of the following is an example of an optical disc? Digital versatile discs. Option B is a correct option. Question 434. The dash folder retains copies of messaging that you have started but are not yet ready to send. Correct option C, drafts. Question 435. Which of the following is an example of storage device? Correct option D, all of the above. Question 436. The main memory of a computer can also be called. Option D, all of the above. Question 437. Video processor consists of dash and dash which store and process image. Correct option A, CPU and memory. Question 438. You can use dash to copy selected text and dash to paste it in a document. Correct option B, Control plus C and Control plus V paste for paste. Question 439. Which of the following is not a type of computer software which can be bought? Correct option D, all of these can be purchased. Question 440. An example of a processing device would be. Correct option C, special function cards. Question 441. 1 megabyte equals approximately. Correct option C, 1 million bytes. Question 442. Information travels between components on the motherboard through. Correct option D, buses. Question 443. Which of the following refers to the memory in your computer? Correct option B, RAM. Question 444. Computer connected to a LAN यानी कि local area network can. Correct option C, share information and or share peripheral equipment. Question 445. Microsoft Office is. Correct option B, an application suite. Question 446. When cutting and pasting, the item cut is temporarily stored in. Correct option D, clipboard. Question 447. The blinking symbol on the computer screen is called the. Correct option D, cursor. Question 448. Magnetic tape is not practical for applications where data must be quickly recalled because tape is. Correct option A sequential access medium. Question 449. How are data organized in a spreadsheet? Correct option D, rows and columns. Question 450. When you are working on a document on PC, where is the document temporarily stored? करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, रैम. तो आज इसी के साथ यहीं पर ख़त्म करते हैं. लेक्चर नंबर 10 हमारा ख़त्म हो जाता है. 450 क्वेश्चन हमने इससे पहले डिस्कस कर लिए हैं. तो आई होप कि आपको काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा होगा और ये कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम के लिए काफ़ी जो है इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाले हैं, इसलिए इन्हें ध्यान से देखा करें. बाकी अगर आपने पहले नहीं देखे तो आप वो भी देख सकते हैं, जाकर प्लेलिस्ट बनी है. और उसके बाद जो है वो टेलीग्राम ज़रूर ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा. वहाँ पर PDF हो या कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन हो या किसी किस्म का कोई हो तो मैं वहाँ पर इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो इन्फॉर्म करता रहता हूँ. तो वहाँ पर भी लाजमी ज्वाइन हो जाइएगा. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगा. वसीम GK क्विज़. बाकी आपका टाइम ज़्यादा ज़ाया नहीं करेंगे. बाकी आप इसको शेयर ज़रूर कर दिया करें सर्कल में, या फिर आपको कोई स्टडी ग्रुप है तो वहाँ पर भी आप शेयर कर सकते हैं. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में.